Hi everyone, welcome to Cyberetics. Today let us see how to install Linux operating system in VMware. Okay, most of the people ask this question, so that I am recording this video. Uh, so first of all, you need to install VMware. Actually, I installed VMware 12.1 in my PC, so I installed that one. I prefer you people to download that one and install in your machine. Then after that, open that one. After that, create new virtual machine. Yeah, here it's saying that some version is available, new version is available. I'm just skipping that version. So create new virtual machine. Yeah, here it's showing typical and recommended. Okay, click next. And yeah, now I'm using my ISO file, Linux ISO file. Okay. In most of the time, most of the developers will use Ubuntu and Mint Linux, and so that today I will show how to install that Mint Linux in that drive, OS image files, Linux, and in that Linux Mint 18. Yeah, okay, and click on next. I'm installing Linux. Yeah, use this Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Yeah, my virtual machine name Mint. Okay, and click on next. Then after I'm allocating 20 GB for that one. I'm using store virtual disk as a single file, and you can split into multiple partitions, and as well as you can use single file. I'm using that single file, and my size is 60 GB. Sorry, 20 GB. And next. Okay. Then after that, click on customize hardware. Actually, I'm having 8 gigabytes of RAM, so that I'm giving 1 GB for this operating system, and leave all these things as it is, and click on close. Then click on finish. Yeah, see here I got my operating system, and click power on virtual machine. Okay, then don't show this again. Okay, and use. Yeah, okay. If you got this error, why we will get this error is we need to enable that Intel VTX support in BIOS. Okay, if you are using your system, then go to the BIOS menu and uh, find this VT-X option and enable that one. Okay, now I enable that one and I will install it again. Okay. Previously, we faced a problem with Intel VT-VX, so I enabled that option in my BIOS option. Simply go to your BIOS menu and navigate to the configurations. In the configuration itself, you can find the Intel Virtual Technology, or else in some motherboards it would be Intel Virtual Technology, or in some motherboards it would be Intel VT-X. By default, it would be disabled, so please enable that option. Okay, why I'm saying these things is I want you to say I want you to solve each and every problem while installing your virtual machine. Okay, then why you need to enable that option is because we need to say we are installing some virtual OS to our microprocessor, so that our microprocessor will understand that yeah, this user is installing some virtual OS. Okay, so that it would provide that process support to the operating system. So let us continue our installation. Click on power on virtual machine. Don't show this again. Okay. Yeah. Don't show this again. Okay. Here we are booting with our ISO file. Actually, here I am installing Linux Mint so that it will open an operating system, and in the operating system we can try that operating system, and if you want you can install. Okay, they are providing that support like that. If you are going to install Ubuntu, simply it will go to that installation window directly. Okay, and don't confuse while installing this Linux Mint and Ubuntu. Both are basically same. We can use this Linux Mint, and if you can try this one. Here is the terminal, and you can try this one. If you like this one, click on this install Linux Mint. If you are installing Ubuntu, then we don't get this screen. We'll get the screen directly. This installation screen directly. Okay. Now I got one screen, right. We'll get that screen directly if you are installing Ubuntu. Simply I'm selecting English. Click on continue. Yeah. Install third-party software for graphics or Wi-Fi drivers, Wi-Fi hardware. So, for example, if you are using some MP3 players, you are saying that you want some third-party softwares, just like MP3 players. Take an example of MP3 player. Yeah, here I created 20 GB partition for, 20 GB virtual machine space for my operating system. So I'm using Arise and install Linux Mint, or else we can create like this something else. Yeah, I will explain about this first option. What it will do is it will always hold the 20 GB disk, and it will create partitions for the Linux Mint OS. And if you select the something else option, we can choose our partitions just like swap space and that root partition. I'm using the first option. Click on install now. Yeah, here it's saying it's creating some swap partition. I already said that, and some root partition with the format of ext4, Linux uses ext4 partition. So click continue. Then Kolkata, okay. Here I am selecting keyboard layout English US. Most of the keyboards are Apple keyboards, so English US would be. Yeah, I'm giving my name Satya, and here only Satya, or else. Okay, let us give it as Satya. And username is also Satya. Yeah, Satya. I will use this computer name as Satya Dem. It's my surname, and password would be some password. Okay, here you can use login automatically option. If you click this option, whenever you're starting your OS, it will directly log in into your operating system. Or else, if you want some security, use this option. And you can encrypt your home folder too for security reasons, and click on continue. Yeah, installation started. It will take some time to install. Okay, let's wait. See here, after successful copying of files, it would install the system. Yeah, now itself it's installing operating system. So if you have some internet connection, it would download some files and install, or else it would use the old files. Okay. So I prefer you to not to maintain internet connection, or else if you want to can maintain, not a problem. So you can see see that one, checking for packages to install, and it's saying language packs. See here it's downloading that language packs. I'm having internet connection, so it's downloading that packs. If If you don't have any internet connection, not a problem, you can continue. Yeah, it's taking so much time. Let us see, our installation was almost done. It's downloading some packages. Okay. You can see some of the VLC and it will install some of the predefined packages. Yeah, our installation was done. It's saying that continue testing or restart now. Okay, I'm restarting. If you're installing Ubuntu also, you can install just like this one. Both are same. There is not much difference. There is no much difference. Both are same. Yeah, you can see this is the lock screen. Okay, and my password. Actually, if you have a more amount of RAM, you can use 2 GB, 3 GB or 4 GB. Actually, I used 1 GB. That's why it is little bit slower. So this is Linux Mint and terminal and all the things. Okay. If you like my tutorial, please like my video, subscribe my channel for updates, and share. Okay, I really need your support, and thanks for watching. Okay, thank you.